Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2013 Camry in the shop, and I'm going to show you how to replace the tailgate lamp assembly. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Once you open the trunk, there's 13 body trim clips to take this felt liner off. Take all 13 off. Last one in the center. We're going to disconnect the 3 mounting bolts. They're actually nuts, 10mm socket. The 2 outer ones here on the outer part of the body are plastic with a metal insert. And then you have the 3rd one right in here. I'm going to grab the socket connector, push in on that tab, pull out, and then just push up on the assembly. Here we have our brand new trunk tail lamp assembly from 1A Auto, and here we have the factory one we just took out of our 2013 Camry. You can see the identical same lines. Turn it around. Comes with a seal, rubber seal gasket. Comes with the actual socket and the bulb, 921 bulb. Inserted studs that are inside the body. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. Now that I brought the trunk down, I can see that the old rubber is stuck on the body, on the actual trunk, so I'm going to make sure I take that off. Now I could take the new lamp assembly and line it up. So I've got the 2 plastic nuts with the insert. They go on the outer edges. And then I have the actual metal style nut that goes on the inner. 10mm socket. I'm going to snug those down. All 3 are snugged down. Now I can reconnect my electrical connector. So line the liner up. Don't forget the pull handle for the emergency release. It's going to go right through this area. So you want to pull that through first, like that. Then line everything up. I'm going to put the center clip in first. There we go. Let go. Now we're just going to work our way around, put all the rest of the tabs back. Last one.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.